The universe is vast, ancient, and boundless, a cosmic tapestry woven with stars, galaxies, and the unknown. Within its infinite expanse lies the greatest mystery of all, the story of how it began. We are travelers in time, standing on a tiny mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam, gazing out into the depths of space and wondering how it all came to be. From the explosive birth of the cosmos and the fire of the Big Bang to the quiet formation of galaxies, stars, and planets, the universe has spent billions of years crafting itself into something both immense and intimate. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, scattered across the void by their dying breaths. We are quite literally made of stardust, a physical connection to the heavens above. But the question remains, why? Why is there something instead of nothing? How did the cosmos awaken from the silence of non-existence to become the orchestra of light and matter we see today? The answers elude us, hidden in the fabric of space-time, perhaps whispered by the faint echoes of the universe's first moments. To seek the origin of the universe is to seek our own origins. It is a journey of humility and wonder, of science and imagination. Every galaxy, every quasar, every particle of light traveling billions of years to reach us carries a fragment of the cosmic story. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly understand. And that is what makes the mystery so profound. The universe invites us to ponder, to explore, and to marvel. It reminds us that we are both insignificant and extraordinary, fleeting passengers in a grand, cosmic dance. In the end, the mystery of creation may be less about finding answers and more about embracing the awe that comes with asking the question. For in that awe, we find a connection to the universe, to each other, and to the very act of being. The act of creation, whether by the hands of physics, the breath of divinity, or some force we cannot yet comprehend, reverberates through every corner of the cosmos. The galaxies whirl in gravitational harmony, their stars ignite in nuclear alchemy, and the planets spin silently in their celestial orbits, all governed by laws that emerged in those first fleeting moments of existence. And yet, within the seeming order lies chaos. Within the chaos lies beauty, and within the beauty lies mystery. The birth of the universe was not a single moment, but a cascade of transformations, an unfolding of potential into reality. Time and space themselves unfurled, stretching outward like a boundless canvas upon which light and matter began to paint the picture of creation. First came the searing plasma, the universe's earliest breath, cooling and condensing into the elements that would build worlds, seas, and life. And what of life? Among the billions of galaxies, on this single fragile planet, life arose, a spark of awareness in the cosmic dark. Perhaps we are the universe's way of contemplating itself, its curiosity made manifest. We are creatures of the stars, gazing backward through time with telescopes, forward with dreams, and inward with wonder. In our search for meaning, we ask, is this mystery singular, or is it shared? Are there others out there, worlds where suns rise over alien skies, where beings look up and ask their own questions of the infinite? The universe, so generous in its scale, offers possibilities as vast as its own horizons. As we unravel the mystery of creation, we find that every answer births new questions. Every discovery opens doors to deeper truths. What came before the Big Bang? Is there a multiverse, a web of countless universes, each with its own laws, its own story? What is the purpose of existence, if purpose there be? Perhaps the secret of creation is not hidden in the distant corners of the cosmos, but within ourselves. For as much as we are shaped by the universe, we also shape it with our thoughts, our curiosity, our longing to know. The universe is a mirror reflecting back the questions we ask, the courage with which we explore, and the wonder we carry as we journey through it. The story of the universe is not yet finished. It unfolds with every moment, every heartbeat, every star that is born, and every one that fades. We, the stardust made conscious, are part of that story, a fleeting chapter in an infinite book. And though we may never know the final answer to the mystery of creation, we are blessed by the search, for it connects us to something greater than ourselves. The cosmos, the eternal, the sublime. As we stand on the precipice of understanding, the vastness of the unknown humbles us. The universe, in all its grandeur, reminds us that we are but a momentary flicker in the cosmic expanse, a brief spark in a night without end. Yet within this fleeting existence lies an extraordinary power, the ability to question, to seek, to imagine. What if the act of creation is not a singular event locked in the past, but an ongoing process? The universe is not static. It evolves, grows, and transforms. Stars are born, live, and die, scattering their elements into the interstellar medium. Galaxies collide and merge, creating new realms of possibility. Even our thoughts, dreams, and actions contribute to the tapestry of existence, rippling outward in ways we may never fully comprehend. Perhaps the true mystery is not merely how the universe began, but why it continues. Why does it expand, pulling galaxies ever farther apart into an endless void? Why does it strive to create complexity from simplicity, order from chaos? From the coalescing of atoms into molecules, to the birth of life from inert matter, to the rise of consciousness capable of reflecting on its origins. Creation is a symphony, and we are both its audience and its notes. And yet, the mystery deepens. Beyond the visible universe lies the dark unknown. Dark matter and dark energy, forces that shape the cosmos yet remain hidden from our senses. They account for most of what exists, and yet we know so little. What are these unseen forces? Are they echoes of the universe's birth, or whispers of something even older, more fundamental? The answers may be far beyond our reach, or they may lie within the smallest particles, the tiniest quantum vibrations. In seeking them, we unite the largest and smallest scales of existence, for the universe is a seamless whole, from the heart of a star to the edge of space-time itself. And what of us? Our role in this grand cosmic narrative may seem insignificant, but it is not. To know the universe, even in fragments, is to honor it. To feel awe at its beauty, to ponder its mysteries, to reach out and touch its edges with our minds. This is a profound act of creation in itself. For in our understanding, the universe comes alive. Its stars are no longer distant fires. They are our ancestors. Its galaxies are no longer strangers. They are our neighbors. Its story is no longer separate. It is ours. We are the universe contemplating itself, an intricate link in the chain of creation. Whether we uncover the ultimate truths or merely brush against their edges, our journey will have meaning. For in every question we ask, every star we study, every step we take toward the unknown, we affirm one simple, powerful truth, that we are part of something vast, ancient, and wondrous. The mystery of the universe's birth will remain, a beacon guiding us forward. Perhaps we were never meant to solve it entirely. Perhaps its purpose is to inspire us, to fill our hearts with wonder, and to remind us that we are more than ourselves. We are the product of billions of years of cosmic evolution, the heirs of stars, the children of galaxies. And as long as we continue to dream, to seek, and to marvel, the story of creation will live on, written in the stars, in the universe, and in us. If the story of the universe is written in the stars, then we are its readers and its authors, turning pages with each new discovery, each new question. And as we peer deeper into the cosmos, as we unravel the light that has traveled billions of years to reach us, we are reminded that we are participants in something immeasurable, a dance of creation that spans all of time and space. But what if the story is not only written in the grand and distant, but also in the intimate and near? The same forces that shape galaxies also shape the molecules in our bodies. The same patterns that guide the birth of stars are echoed in the growth of a tree, the flow of a river, the beating of a heart. The universe is not merely out there. It is within us, around us, and between us. Every moment we live, every breath we take, is a continuation of the cosmic process that began billions of years ago. And so, the mystery of creation is not just a question for astronomers and physicists. It is a question for all of us. It asks us to look inward as much as outward, to recognize that the same wonder we feel when gazing at the stars can be found in the smallest details of our lives. The way sunlight filters through the leaves of a tree. The way water carves its path through stone over millennia. The way a child's laughter carries the echoes of a universe that chose to awaken, to be alive. Yet, as much as the universe offers us beauty, it also offers us paradox. The more we learn, the more questions arise. For every mystery solved, a dozen more emerge. This is the nature of exploration, a journey without a final destination. And perhaps that is the point. Perhaps the universe's greatest gift is not in its answers, but in its questions, in the endless opportunity to wonder, to seek, to grow. Even now, as we stand on the precipice of new eras in science and discovery, the horizon stretches infinitely ahead. What lies beyond the observable universe? What is the true nature of time and space? Are there other dimensions, other universes, other beings asking the same questions we do? The mystery of creation is a mirror, reflecting our own curiosity and courage back to us. We may never know all the answers, but that does not diminish our journey. In fact, it enriches it. For what is a story without mystery? What is a life without wonder? The universe does not demand that we solve it. It only invites us to explore it, to live within it fully, to cherish the fleeting moments we have on this cosmic stage. And so, as we continue to look up at the stars, let us carry with us the humility of our smallness and the magnificence of our connection to the infinite. Let us remember that we are stardust and story, seekers and creators, a part of something so vast that it defies comprehension and so intimate that it shapes our very being. The mystery of creation is not something to conquer or resolve. It is something to embrace, to celebrate, to share. It is the heartbeat of the universe and the whisper of eternity. And in its endless unfolding, it reminds us of a profound truth, that to be alive, to wonder, to love, is to be a part of the greatest story ever told, the story of the universe itself. And so, we find ourselves woven into this vast and intricate tapestry, both observers and participants in the grand narrative of existence. The universe, with all its staggering immensity and boundless complexity, invites us not only to understand it, but to feel it, to marvel at its beauty, and to recognize that we, too, are expressions of its unfolding. In every supernova that scatters elements into the void, in every galaxy that swirls elegantly through space, in every atom vibrating with energy, there is a story of creation. And in our small corner of the cosmos, life emerged, a fragile, fleeting phenomenon, yet one capable of reflection, imagination, and love. It is as if the universe, in its endless creativity, chose not only to exist, but to become aware of itself. We are that awareness. We are the universe's way of contemplating its own origins, its purpose, its future. And though we may be tiny, though we may exist for but a moment on the cosmic timescale, our ability to wonder connects us to something eternal. In every question we ask, we honor the universe's mystery. In every act of curiosity, we echo its boundless potential. But the mystery of creation is not static. It is alive, dynamic, and ongoing. The universe did not simply begin. It begins anew in every instant. With every sunrise, every birth, every discovery, the story continues. And though we may never know how or why it all began, we find meaning in the journey itself. For the act of seeking, of reaching out into the unknown, is an act of creation in its own right. What lies ahead for us, the stardust made sentient. As we look deeper into the cosmos, as we decode the light of distant stars and probe the quantum fabric of reality, we are not just learning about the universe, we are shaping our place within it. The mysteries we uncover are not just answers to ancient questions. They are keys to new frontiers, new possibilities. Perhaps one day we will venture beyond our solar system, leaving behind the cradle of Earth to explore the stars. Perhaps we will encounter other forms of life, other beings who, like us, have gazed up at their skies and wondered. Or perhaps the greatest discoveries will be found not in distant galaxies, but in the nature of existence itself, in the fundamental forces that govern all things, in the unity of the cosmos and consciousness. Whatever the future holds, one thing is certain. The story of creation is far from over. We are but a chapter, a fleeting verse in a poem that spans eternity. Yet even in our brief moment, we hold within us the essence of the cosmos, the same light, the same energy, the same mystery. We are in every sense connected to all that has been and all that will ever be. And so, as we continue to explore, to wonder, to create, let us remember that we are not separate from the universe. We are its children, its storytellers, its dreamers. The mystery of creation is not something apart from us. It is us. And in that truth lies a beauty beyond words, a connection deeper than time, and a purpose as infinite as the stars themselves. The story of the universe, our story, is one without boundaries. It stretches beyond the confines of time and space, beyond the limits of our understanding, and beckons us to venture further into the unknown. We are driven by the same force that fuels the stars, the desire to expand, to create, to discover. As we continue this journey, we find that the mystery of creation is not a puzzle to be solved, but an experience to be lived. Each question we ask reveals another layer of the cosmos. Each answer we uncover deepens the wonder. What began as a singularity, an infinitesimal point bursting forth into existence, has become an infinite canvas of possibility, painted with light, energy, and matter. And here we are, a part of that masterpiece, yet somehow able to stand back and marvel at its beauty. Perhaps the greatest realization is that creation is not something that happened, but something that is happening. The universe is alive with activity, from the swirling clouds of interstellar gas birthing new stars, to the quantum dance of particles too small to see. Even on Earth, every moment is a symphony of creation. Cells divide, ecosystems evolve, ideas ignite. To exist is to participate in this ongoing act of becoming. And what of the future? The universe, so vast and ancient, seems eternal to us. But it too will change. The stars we see today will one day fade, their light extinguished by the slow march of entropy. Galaxies will drift apart. The fabric of space-time itself will stretch toward infinity. Yet even in this, there is wonder. For endings are not truly endings, but transformations, doorways to new beginnings. We too are part of this cycle. Our species, our planet, our sun, all are temporary, fleeting expressions of the universe's creativity. But our legacy is more than physical. It is written in the questions we've asked, the knowledge we've gathered, the connections we've made. In our curiosity and courage, we have ensured that the universe will not simply exist, but will be known. And so, as we gaze into the night sky, let us not feel small, but immense. For we are not separate from the cosmos. We are its voice, its hands, its heart. We are the way the universe dreams of itself, the way it reaches beyond its boundaries, the way it finds meaning in its infinite mystery. Let us carry this understanding with us into the future, into the unknown. Let us continue to explore, to question, to create, not because we seek an end, but because we cherish the journey. For in every act of discovery, we honor the universe that gave us life. In every moment of wonder, we affirm our connection to something greater. The mystery of creation will never be fully unraveled, and that is its greatest gift. It invites us to keep searching, keep dreaming, keep marveling. And as long as we do, we will remain a part of the universe's story, a story that began in a burst of light and will continue to unfold forever in the endless dance of existence. The dance of existence is infinite, a rhythm that we cannot fully grasp but can feel deeply within. It is the same rhythm that pulses in the distant spirals of galaxies and within the atoms of our being. The universe, in its grand expanse, is not only the stage upon which life unfolds. It is the actor, the playwright, and the audience, all at once. As we press forward into the unknown, we find ourselves connected to this cosmic play in profound ways. Each discovery we make, from the intricate patterns of a snowflake to the colossal movements of galaxy clusters, reaffirms that the universe is not indifferent. It is participatory, engaging with us as much as we engage with it. But even as we marvel at the universe's enormity, there is a paradoxical intimacy. The same forces that guide the birth of stars also govern the simplest processes in our bodies. The same energy that powers a supernova fuels the spark of thought in our minds. To study the cosmos is to study ourselves, and in doing so, we begin to understand that we are not merely in the universe, we are of it. This realization carries both humility and empowerment. On one hand, we are but a brief flicker in the grand timeline of existence. On the other, we are the bearers of consciousness, capable of asking the questions that bring the universe to life. What greater privilege could there be than to wonder, to seek, and to dream? And what are those dreams? They are more than the ambitions of a single species on a single planet. They are the whispers of a universe longing to understand itself. They are the seeds of possibility, waiting to be nurtured. Perhaps one day, our dreams will carry us beyond our own world, to distant stars and other realms where life may have taken root in forms we cannot yet imagine. But the mystery of creation does not require answers to have value. Its worth lies in its ability to inspire, to fill us with awe, to challenge us, to remind us of our place in something larger than ourselves. Even the questions we cannot answer enrich us, for they draw us closer to the essence of existence. We are the stewards of this mystery, entrusted with the ability to explore, to learn, and to create. Our time is fleeting, but our capacity to leave a mark is infinite. With every act of curiosity, every moment of wonder, we weave ourselves into the fabric of the cosmos. We add our voices to the universal symphony, ensuring that the story of creation is not static but ever-evolving. As we gaze into the endless depths of space, we are reminded that the universe is not silent. It speaks to us in the light of the stars, in the whispers of quantum particles, in the vastness of its unanswered questions. And as we listen, we become part of its voice. The story of creation is not one we can finish. It is one we are privileged to continue. And in that continuation, we find meaning, not in finality, but in the eternal act of becoming. The universe is a mystery, a miracle, a masterpiece in progress. And so are we. The masterpiece of the universe unfolds with every passing moment, an eternal act of creation that invites us to participate, to question, and to celebrate. As we move forward, we realize that the universe is not simply something we observe. It is something we shape by our presence within it. Our awareness, our curiosity, our capacity to wonder. They are as much a part of the cosmos as the stars themselves. To journey through this mystery is to embrace both its vastness and its intimacy. The same laws of physics that govern the dance of galaxies also shape the molecules of water flowing through a stream. The forces that bend light around a distant black hole are the same forces that hold us to this fragile Earth. The universe is not divided into the grand and the small. It is a single, unified whole, and we are threads in its tapestry. But what lies ahead? The story of creation is far from finished. We stand on the cusp of discoveries that may redefine our understanding of existence. The tools we build, telescopes that peer to the edge of the observable universe, particle accelerators that unravel the building blocks of matter, are extensions of our desire to know. They are symbols of our courage to face the unknown, even when the answers may challenge everything we thought we understood. Perhaps we will one day decipher the true nature of dark matter and dark energy, the enigmatic forces that shape the universe yet elude our grasp. Perhaps we will find life on other worlds, not as distant and alien beings, but as kindred sparks of the same cosmic fire that ignited life on Earth. Perhaps we will even come to understand the very fabric of reality itself, what time is, what space is, and why there is something instead of nothing. Yet even if we uncover these answers, the universe will always hold its secrets. It is in its nature to be infinite, to inspire infinite questions. And perhaps that is the most profound truth of all, that the value of the mystery is not in solving it, but in engaging with it. To seek is to live, to wonder is to connect, to dream is to create. As we journey deeper into the cosmos, we are reminded that the story of the universe is also the story of us. We are not separate from it, nor are we mere spectators. We are the product of its evolution, the inheritors of its stars, the creators of its future. In every question we ask, we affirm our connection to this boundless mystery. In every moment of awe, we honor the universe that gave us the capacity to feel it. Let us carry this awareness with us, not just into the realms of science and exploration, but into our daily lives. For the universe is not only in the distant galaxies. It is in the air we breathe, the ground we walk, the relationships we nurture. To recognize the mystery of creation is to recognize the sacredness of existence itself, in all its forms and moments. The story of the universe is eternal, and so too is our role within it. As long as we continue to wonder, to seek, and to dream, we remain a part of its unfolding, a living testament to the infinite potential of creation. The stars may one day fade, but the legacy of those who dared to reach for them will shine forever, etched into the very fabric of reality. The universe is vast. It is ancient. It is mysterious. And it is ours, not to own, but to cherish, to explore, and to become. And so, as the universe stretches ever outward, its story continues to be written, not just in the light of distant stars or the spiral arms of galaxies, but in the minds and hearts of those who dare to ask, why? And what if? We are its narrators, its explorers, its dreamers, each of us carrying a spark of the same cosmic fire that gave rise to everything. The great mystery of creation is not something that lies only in the distant past or in faraway corners of the cosmos. It is here, in every breath we take, every decision we make, every question we pose. It is in the growth of a seed into a towering tree, in the way a child's laughter echoes across a room, in the silent hum of atoms vibrating in the air. Creation is not static. It is alive, dynamic, and ongoing. As we look outward to explore the stars, we are also compelled to look inward, to understand ourselves as an expression of the universe's endless creativity. We carry the imprints of its history in our very being, the iron in our blood, forged in ancient supernovae, the water we drink, once part of comets and primordial seas, the thoughts in our minds, shaped by the evolution of a planet that learned to think. To know ourselves is to know the cosmos, and to know the cosmos is to know ourselves. What lies ahead is a horizon without limit. Our exploration may take us to distant worlds where life flourishes under alien suns, to realms of physics that rewrite the boundaries of what we believe possible, or to truths so profound that they reshape our understanding of existence itself. Yet with every step forward, we are reminded of how precious and fragile our own world is, a tiny, vibrant oasis in a vast, uncaring void. This understanding carries with it both wonder and responsibility. The universe has given us life, awareness, and the ability to shape our destiny. In return, we must honor it, not just by seeking knowledge, but by protecting the beauty of our own planet, by fostering the connections that bind us to one another, and by leaving a legacy that reflects the best of what we are. The mystery of creation, then, is not something to be solved, but something to live. It is the quiet awe we feel under a starlit sky, the bold curiosity that drives us to explore, the love we share with others that binds us to the fabric of existence. It is the realization that, though we are small, we are significant, not because of our size, but because of our ability to wonder, to care, to create. As the universe expands into an endless future, so too does our potential. Our questions will grow deeper, our understanding richer, our stories more profound. The stars will continue to shine, and so will we, for we are one with them, born of their light, destined to carry it forward. The story of creation has no end. It is infinite, like the cosmos itself, an unbroken thread of becoming. And as long as we continue to dream, to seek, to imagine, we remain its co-authors, a part of the universe's eternal dance, a spark in its ever-burning flame, a voice in its unending song. And so, the song of the universe continues, a melody without conclusion, resonating across the infinite fabric of time and space. In its notes, we hear echoes of the past, the first light breaking through the darkness of the cosmic dawn, the birth of stars that would give rise to worlds, and the quiet, persistent emergence of life. But we also hear the promise of the future, the uncharted verses yet to be sung, the stories yet to unfold. The universe, in its boundless vastness, is not only a mystery to be pondered, but a companion in our journey. It reflects our own paradoxes, immense yet intimate, ancient yet ever new, indifferent yet nurturing. It holds the keys to our origins and the map to our destiny, inviting us to explore not just its depths, but our own potential. As we venture further into the cosmos, we are reminded that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. Our telescopes peer into the light of stars that have long since vanished, yet their photons carry their stories across the eons to us. Our spacecraft traverse the void, carrying with them the hopes and dreams of a species seeking its place in the vastness. Each step forward, each discovery made, is a testament to our collective courage and curiosity. But the universe's most profound gift is not just what it reveals, it is what it inspires. The mystery of creation fuels not only our science, but also our art, our philosophy, our capacity to dream. It reminds us that we are not mere observers of the cosmos. We are participants in its unfolding. Every question we ask, every truth we uncover, every act of creation we undertake adds to the fabric of existence itself. And yet, the more we learn, the more we are humbled by the immensity of what we do not know. What lies beyond the observable universe? What is the ultimate nature of time, space, and reality itself? Are there other worlds, other beings, asking the same questions, dreaming the same dreams? The answers elude us, but in the pursuit of them, we find something even more valuable, a deeper connection to the cosmos and to each other. The mystery of creation is a reminder of our unity, not just as individuals, not just as a species, but as an integral part of the universe itself. The same forces that govern the swirling galaxies also shape the beating of our hearts. The same elements that form the distant stars flow through our veins. We are quite literally the universe made conscious, a way for it to know itself. This understanding carries with it a profound responsibility. To cherish the universe means to cherish the fragile world we call home. To honor its beauty means to honor the connections we share with one another. To embrace its mystery means to embrace our role as stewards of its legacy. And so, as we stand at the edge of what we know, peering into the infinite unknown, we do so not with fear, but with wonder. For the universe, in all its mystery, is not a puzzle to be solved, but a story to be lived. A story of light and shadow, of creation and transformation, of questions without end and possibilities without limit. The stars will continue to shine long after we are gone. But while we are here, we have the power to add our voice to the cosmic song, to carry its melody forward, and to ensure that, for this fleeting moment in eternity, the universe was not just observed, it was understood, cherished, and loved. In that we find the greatest mystery of all, that we, the children of the stars, have the ability to bring meaning to the infinite. The universe has given us its story. It is up to us to write the next chapter. The next chapter of the universe's story awaits our imagination and courage. It is unwritten, a blank canvas stretching across the infinite expanse of time. And yet, even as we stand on the threshold of this cosmic unknown, the universe whispers to us, not in words, but in the quiet language of its existence. Every star that burns, every galaxy that spins, every atom that dances in the void speaks of possibility, of potential, of becoming. What will we write? Will we, as stardust brought to life, continue to explore the depths of our origins? Will we cross the void to distant worlds, carrying with us the essence of our tiny blue planet? Will we uncover truths that redefine what it means to exist? The universe does not demand answers. It only offers the invitation. It is up to us to respond. As we chart the unknown, we do so with tools both ancient and modern. The spark of curiosity that has burned in humanity since we first looked up at the stars, and the technologies that now allow us to see beyond our immediate horizon. From the intricacies of quantum mechanics to the vastness of interstellar space, we are learning to read the universe's story one chapter at a time. Yet even as we seek to understand the external cosmos, we must not forget the inner universe, the constellation of thoughts, emotions, and connections that make us human. For the mystery of creation is not just a question of stars and galaxies. It is a question of life itself. How do we choose to live in the face of such vastness? How do we honor the fragile beauty of our world, the only home we have ever known? How do we shape our relationships with one another, knowing that we are all part of the same cosmic family? The answers to these questions will define the legacy we leave behind. The universe is vast, but so is our capacity to dream. It is ancient, but so is our potential to create. It is mysterious, but so is the human heart, which seeks not only to understand, but to love, to connect, to transcend. As the universe expands, so too does our sense of purpose. Perhaps our role is not to solve the mystery of creation, but to embrace it, to be the storytellers of the cosmos, weaving narratives that bridge the finite with the infinite, the known with the unknown, to act as stewards of this fragile, beautiful world, ensuring that it continues to sing its part in the cosmic symphony, to reach outward toward the stars and inward toward each other, always guided by the understanding that we are not separate from the universe. We are its voice, its hands, its heart. One day, the stars we see may fade, and the universe itself may transform into something unrecognizable. But the story of creation will not end. It will live on in the echoes of the choices we make, the dreams we pursue, and the love we share. For in every act of exploration, every moment of wonder, every connection forged, we add to the infinite chorus of existence. And so, let us continue forward, carrying the light of curiosity into the dark unknown. Let us marvel at the mystery of creation, not seeking to conquer it, but to become part of it. Let us honor the stars, not only for what they are, but for what they inspire in us. For as long as we dream, as long as we seek, as long as we dare to ask the questions that have no answers, the universe will never be silent. Its story is our story. Its mystery is our mystery. And its future, unwritten, infinite, and full of promise, belongs to us. The story of the universe continues, written in the light of stars, in the hum of particles, and in the boundless questions of conscious minds. It is a narrative that transcends beginnings and endings, a perpetual unfolding that invites us to participate. In its vastness, we find inspiration. In its mystery, we find purpose. The future stretches before us like the universe itself, expansive, uncertain, and filled with potential. Each step we take, whether on the soil of distant worlds or in the corridors of our imaginations, becomes part of the cosmic journey. We, the observers, are also the creators, shaping not only the understanding of the universe, but the universe itself through our presence and our actions. And yet, as we venture further into the cosmos, we are reminded of the delicate balance of our existence. The same universe that gives rise to galaxies also gave rise to this fragile planet, a sanctuary of life in an otherwise inhospitable void. Earth, a small blue jewel suspended in the infinite, reminds us that creation is not just an external process. It is a responsibility. To protect what is precious, to nurture what is beautiful, is to honor the mystery of creation itself. This duality, the infinite and the intimate, the distant and the immediate, defines our journey. We are beings capable of mapping the orbits of exoplanets light years away, yet equally capable of finding wonder in the dew of a morning leaf. The universe does not distinguish between these scales of beauty, for they are one and the same. They are threads in the same tapestry, woven together by the same cosmic hands. And so, we continue to weave. Every discovery, every innovation, every dream is a thread that adds to the greater whole. Perhaps one day, those threads will lead us to profound revelations about the nature of existence, what lies beyond the edges of the observable universe, what the ultimate fate of the cosmos will be, whether we are alone in the great expanse or part of a larger galactic family. But even if those answers remain elusive, the act of seeking them transforms us. For the universe does not demand answers. It asks only that we engage with it, that we embrace its wonder and its mystery. It invites us to stand in awe of its grandeur and to recognize that, in our own small way, we are its witnesses and its voice. And so, let us carry forward the light of curiosity, the fire of discovery, and the quiet reverence for the unknown. Let us cherish this rare gift, the ability to reflect, to create, to dream. Let us honor the stars not just as distant points of light, but as companions in this eternal story, bound to us by the shared threads of existence. The universe expands, but so too does our understanding, our compassion, our sense of connection. Every moment, every question, every act of love adds to the unfolding narrative of creation. And though the universe is vast beyond comprehension, its mystery finds a home in the hearts of those who dare to wonder. This is our legacy, to be not just creatures of the cosmos, but its stewards, its storytellers, its dreamers. to ensure that the mystery of creation is not only preserved, but celebrated. For as long as we continue to explore, to seek, to create, the story of the universe will live on, not as something apart from us, but as something we are and something we will always be. And so, the story of the universe flows onward, an endless river of time, carrying with it the echoes of creation. Each ripple in this cosmic current is both fleeting and eternal, a moment in the vast tapestry of existence that shapes all that will come after. We are carried by this river, yet we are also its makers, each of us contributing to the movement of its waters. The universe, in its vastness, invites us to imagine what lies beyond the horizon of our understanding. There are questions we have not yet thought to ask, wonders we have not yet glimpsed, and truths that will challenge the very fabric of what we believe to be real. Yet in the face of this immensity, we are not powerless. We are equipped with curiosity, a profound gift that binds us to the essence of creation itself. Curiosity is what compels us to look to the stars and see not just distant lights, but the seeds of stories untold. It drives us to peer into the quantum world, where particles dance in ways that defy intuition. It urges us to seek life beyond our pale blue, to imagine what forms existence might take in alien seas or under unfamiliar skies. And it reminds us that the universe is as much within us as it is around us. But with this gift comes responsibility. The universe has handed us its most precious creation, life. On this fragile world, in the delicate interplay of atmosphere, water, and sunlight, life has flourished against all odds. And now, for the first time in billions of years, life has a voice. It can speak for itself, shape its destiny, and leave a mark upon the cosmos. How will we use this voice? Will we continue to seek, to learn, to grow, honoring the universe's creative spirit? Will we protect this rare and precious spark of life, nurturing it so that it may endure? Will we recognize that our choices ripple outward, affecting not only our planet but the entire cosmic story? The universe whispers its answers not in words, but in the silent language of connection. It shows us that we are not separate from the stars, but born of them. It reveals that the same energy that powers the galaxies flows through us. And it teaches us that every act of understanding, every moment of wonder, is a bridge between the finite and the infinite. In this understanding, we find not only our place in the universe, but our purpose: to live fully, to explore boldly, to care deeply. These are acts of creation. They are how we contribute to the unfolding of the cosmos, how we add our chapter to its eternal story. As the universe expands, so too does our potential. There is no end to what we can discover, no limit to what we can imagine. But even as we gaze outward, let us not forget to look inward. For within us lies the same mystery, the same beauty, the same infinite possibility. The story of the universe is not just written in the stars, it is written in us. It is written in the questions we ask, the dreams we pursue, the love we share. And as long as we continue to wonder, to seek, to create, the story will never end. The universe is eternal, and so is its invitation: to marvel, to learn, to become. It is a call to be both its witness and its author, to weave our lives into its tapestry, and to carry its light forward into the unknown. For in the act of seeking, we find the greatest truth of all, that we are not separate from the mystery of creation. We are its living, breathing embodiment. And so, the story continues, an infinite symphony resonating through time and space, with every note a testament to the universe's boundless creativity. We stand as both its witnesses and participants, uniquely positioned to reflect upon its wonders and mysteries. The universe unfolds within us and around us, calling us to explore, to dream, and to embrace the responsibility of our existence. The cosmos, in all its grandeur, is not static. It is alive with motion and change, a vast and dynamic network of energy and matter in constant transformation. Stars are born, burn brightly, and die, scattering their elements into the void, sowing the seeds for new worlds. Galaxies collide, their billions of stars weaving together in cosmic dances that span eons. And amidst it all, here we are, fleeting yet eternal, fragile yet resilient. What, then, is our role in this ever-expanding narrative? We are more than observers. We are creators, shapers of the universe's future, capable of imagining possibilities that stretch beyond the horizon of what we know. We have within us the capacity to illuminate the darkness, not only with the light of our discoveries, but with the light of our actions, our compassion, our shared humanity. The universe, though vast and seemingly indifferent, reveals its deepest truths in moments of connection. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in ancient stars. The water that flows through our veins once coursed through primordial oceans. The light that touches our skin began its journey in the heart of a star millions of years ago. We are bound to the cosmos, not by metaphor, but by the very fabric of our existence. And as we reach outward, seeking answers to the greatest questions, we also reach inward, discovering the profound depths of what it means to be alive. The same curiosity that drives us to explore the farthest galaxies also invites us to explore the mysteries of consciousness, love, and purpose. The universe is a mirror, reflecting our greatest aspirations and our deepest truths. Yet for all our questions, the universe offers no final answers. It remains an open book, an unfinished story, a puzzle with pieces still scattered across the infinite. But this is its gift, for in the act of seeking, we find meaning. In the pursuit of understanding, we discover connection. And in the acknowledgement of mystery, we discover wonder. Let us continue, then, to journey forward, not with certainty, but with curiosity, not with arrogance, but with humility, not with fear, but with awe. For the cosmos is not a problem to be solved, but a masterpiece to be experienced, a mystery to be celebrated, and a story to which we all belong. The stars may fade, the galaxies may drift apart, and the universe itself may one day transform into something unrecognizable. But the legacy of those who dared to wonder, to seek, to create, will endure. It will echo in the light of distant worlds, in the ripples of time and space, and in the hearts of those who come after us. The universe is infinite, and so is its invitation to be part of its story. As we carry the light of knowledge and curiosity into the unknown, we ensure that the mystery of creation is not merely observed, but lived. And in living it, we become not just inhabitants of the cosmos, but co-creators of its eternal journey. The eternal journey of the universe, a story written across eons, reminds us that we are both its product and its stewards. Each step we take forward, each question we ask brings us closer, not to an end, but to a deeper understanding of the infinite. The universe invites us to participate, not as spectators watching from the margins, but as threads woven into the very fabric of existence. As we gaze outward into the abyss of stars and galaxies, we are reminded of our extraordinary position, a momentary flicker of awareness in a cosmos that spans incomprehensible scales. Yet it is precisely this awareness that grants us meaning. For though we are small in size, our curiosity is vast. Though our lives are fleeting, our ability to wonder is eternal. What lies ahead in this journey is both thrilling and humbling. We will continue to explore the edges of the observable universe, mapping its structure and revealing the hidden forces that shape its form. We will decipher the whispers of cosmic radiation, echoes of the universe's birth, and decode the quantum fabric that underpins reality. We will reach out to distant worlds, searching not only for life, but for the deeper understanding of what it means to exist. But even as we extend our reach, we must also look inward. The same universe that gave rise to stars and galaxies gave rise to us, beings capable of reflection, imagination, and empathy. In this realization, we find a profound truth. The cosmos is not just out there, it is within us. Every particle of our being, every thought, every breath is an expression of the same forces that created the galaxies. This understanding places a sacred trust in our hands. As beings of the universe, we are also its caretakers. The Earth, our fragile and beautiful home, is a gift of creation, a sanctuary in the vast emptiness of space. To care for it, to nurture its life, is to honor the very process that brought us into being. The mystery of creation, then, is not something to be solved or conquered. It is a living, breathing question, one that evolves with every new discovery, every act of curiosity, every moment of awe. It is a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, a story that began long before us and will continue long after we are gone. Yet in our fleeting moment, we have the power to leave a mark, to add a chapter to this infinite tale. What will that chapter say? Will it be one of exploration, of unity, of wonder? Will it reflect the light of our understanding and the depth of our compassion? The choice is ours, and it is one of immense significance. For as we continue to explore the cosmos, we are also exploring what it means to be human. We are discovering not only the outer universe, but the inner one, the universe of thought, emotion, and connection. These are not separate journeys, but two paths that converge, each enriching the other. And so, the story of the universe unfolds, written in the light of distant stars and in the hearts of those who dream of them. It is a story without end, a song without resolution, a dance without a final step. And as long as we continue to wonder, to seek, and to create, we will remain a part of it, a fleeting yet eternal expression of the mystery of creation. The universe is vast, but so is our potential. It is ancient, but so are our dreams. And as we look to the stars, we carry with us the most profound truth of all, that in the infinite expanse of existence, we are not merely observers. We are the universe itself, contemplating its own origin, marveling at its beauty, and daring to imagine its future. The story of the universe flows on, a symphony of creation that neither begins nor ends but transforms endlessly, carried forward by the same forces that gave rise to stars and galaxies, to oceans and forests, to minds that wonder and hearts that dream. In its ever-unfolding chapters, the cosmos calls upon us to participate, not merely to observe its grandeur, but to be active creators within it. We are the universe's storytellers, crafting meaning from its mysteries. Every question we ask, every discovery we make, every act of imagination and love adds to its unfolding narrative. Through our curiosity, we bring the cosmos to life, transforming it from a collection of matter and energy into something deeply understood, deeply felt, and deeply cherished. But the universe does not whisper its secrets freely. Its vastness humbles us. Its mysteries elude us. The distant light of galaxies takes millions of years to reach our eyes, and the particles that shape our existence operate on scales so small they defy comprehension. Yet within this immensity lies an invitation to seek, to connect, to persist. For in the act of seeking, we find our purpose. In the act of connecting, we find our humanity. As we peer deeper into space, mapping the stars and decoding the language of the cosmos, we are also learning to see ourselves. The same forces that shaped the universe shaped us. We are stardust, yes, but we are also fire and light, energy and intention, life and love. To know the cosmos is to know ourselves, and to know ourselves is to understand our place within the infinite. And what is our place? It is both humble and profound. We are fleeting, yet we hold within us the power to shape eternity. Our lives are but a moment in the grand timeline of the universe, yet our choices ripple outward, affecting not only our world but the infinite expanse beyond. To exist is to create, to question, to reach for the stars not only with our hands, but with our minds and our hearts. The cosmos, for all its silence, is a mirror. In its vastness, we see our potential. In its beauty, we see our capacity for wonder. In its interconnectedness, we see the profound truth that we are not separate from the universe. We are the universe, made conscious, made curious, made alive. What lies ahead for us? Perhaps one day we will walk on distant worlds, touch the sands of alien shores, and hear the winds of other atmospheres. Perhaps we will uncover the answers to the deepest questions. What is the nature of time? What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe? Are we alone in this cosmic ocean, or are there others, asking the same questions under alien skies? Yet even if these answers remain out of reach, the journey itself will have meaning. For the universe's greatest mystery is not its distant galaxies or its hidden dimensions. It is the act of creation itself. To wonder, to seek, to love is to embody the very essence of the cosmos, to carry its story forward in ways that no star or planet can. Let us then honor this mystery. Let us protect the fragile beauty of our world, the only home we know in the vastness of space. Let us nurture our connections to one another, recognizing that we are all part of the same cosmic family. And let us continue to dream, for the universe's future is unwritten, and it is ours to shape. The stars will shine long after we are gone, but the light of our curiosity, our compassion, and our creativity will endure. It will echo in the fabric of space-time, a testament to the fleeting yet eternal beings who dared to ask, to seek, to become. For in the end, we are not just inhabitants of the universe. We are its voice, its hands, its heart. And as long as we continue to wonder, the story of creation will never end. The story of creation continues, its threads stretching endlessly into the unknown, weaving new patterns, birthing new possibilities. It is a story that calls to us, not in words, but in the silent resonance of existence itself. It whispers in the light of distant stars, in the rhythm of waves upon alien shores, and in the quiet beating of our hearts. It is the song of the universe, and we are its melody. We find ourselves at a unique moment in this infinite tale. For billions of years, the universe has unfolded without witness, its stars igniting and fading, its galaxies colliding and dispersing, its forces shaping worlds in silence. But now, through us, the cosmos has gained awareness. We are its eyes, its mind, its voice, a part of its fabric that can look back upon itself and wonder. And wonder we must, for the universe is boundless, its mysteries unfathomable. Every new discovery, whether it be the swirling chaos of black holes, the ancient light of cosmic microwave radiation, or the promise of habitable worlds beyond our own, reveals only the smallest fraction of what remains unknown. Yet this is not cause for despair, but for hope. The unknown is not an obstacle. It is an invitation, a promise that there is always more to learn, more to explore, more to become. But the journey is not only outward. As we gaze into the cosmos, we are also called to look within. For the same forces that shaped the stars and galaxies also shaped us. We are not separate from the universe. We are its expression, its continuation. Our thoughts, our dreams, our very existence are threads in the same tapestry that spans the heavens. This realization carries with it a profound responsibility. The universe has given us the gift of life, a rare and fleeting phenomenon in the vast expanse of space and time. What we choose to do with this gift matters. How we care for our planet, how we treat one another, how we pursue knowledge and creativity. All of this ripples outward, shaping not only our world but the universe itself. The cosmos does not demand perfection, only participation. To seek understanding, to act with kindness, to create beauty, these are acts of creation in their own right. They are how we honor the mystery of the universe, how we add our voice to its song. As we move forward, the possibilities are as limitless as the stars. Perhaps we will uncover the secrets of dark energy and dark matter, the invisible forces that shape the cosmos. Perhaps we will send humanity beyond the solar system, carrying the story of Earth to the farthest reaches of space. Perhaps we will even find life elsewhere, life that, like us, looks to the sky and wonders. But even if we never reach these horizons, the journey itself will remain. For it is not the destination that defines us, but the act of seeking, the courage to explore, the willingness to dream. In every question we ask, in every step we take, we affirm our connection to the infinite, our place in the unfolding story of creation. And so, let us continue. Let us embrace the vastness of the cosmos, not as something that diminishes us, but as something that inspires us. Let us cherish the fragile beauty of our world, for it is a rare and precious jewel in the vast expanse of space. Let us nurture our relationships with one another, for we are bound together by the same forces that bind the stars. The universe is infinite, but so too is our potential. As long as we continue to wonder, to seek, to create, we will remain a part of its story, a fleeting moment in the cosmic dance, yet a moment filled with meaning. The stars may one day fade, but the light of our curiosity, our compassion, and our dreams will endure, carried forward in the eternal unfolding of the cosmos. This is the promise of the universe, that in its mystery, in its vastness, in its endless becoming, we find not only answers but purpose. And in that purpose we find ourselves. The purpose we find in the universe is not given. It is created. It emerges from our actions, our thoughts, and our dreams. The cosmos, vast and indifferent, offers no prescriptions. Instead, it offers something far more profound, the freedom to shape meaning, to weave our lives into its endless story. Each star that twinkles in the night sky, each galaxy that spins in the depths of space, is a reminder that the universe thrives on cycles of birth, growth, and transformation. It is neither static nor finished, but ever becoming. And so, too are we. As beings born of stardust and time, we are carriers of this cosmic legacy, part of an unbroken chain of creation stretching back to the beginning. Yet in our hands lies something unique, the power to reflect on this legacy, to shape its future. The stars shine without thought, but we shine with intention. The universe expands in silence, but we expand with purpose. This is our gift, and it is also our challenge. For as we gaze outward, toward the infinite, we must also look inward. Within us lies the same mystery that birthed the galaxies. Our thoughts, our emotions, our capacity for love and wonder. These are no less miraculous than the light of a supernova or the arc of a spiral galaxy. To explore the universe fully is to embrace this inner cosmos as well, to recognize that the greatest mysteries often reside not in the stars, but in the depths of our own being. This dual journey, outward and inward, is the heart of our existence. It is what gives rise to science, to art, to connection. It is what allows us to stand in awe of a starry sky while also cherishing the warmth of a shared moment on Earth. The universe is vast, but its vastness does not diminish our significance. It enhances it. For in this enormity, we find the context that makes our fleeting lives all the more precious. And so, as we continue to explore, let us do so with humility and courage. Let us honor the mystery of creation by living fully within it, by seeking not just knowledge but wisdom, not just answers but understanding. Let us recognize that our actions, however small, ripple outward into the cosmos, shaping the future in ways we cannot always see. Perhaps one day we will become wanderers among the stars, carrying with us the story of our planet, our people, our dreams. Perhaps we will build bridges between worlds, connecting distant civilizations in a cosmic web of understanding. Perhaps we will discover that we are not alone, that the universe has birthed other beings who, like us, wonder about their place in the grand scheme of existence. But even if these futures remain distant, the journey itself is enough. To seek is to live. To dream is to create. To marvel is to honor the universe that gave us the ability to feel its wonder. In the end, the story of creation is not about answers. It is about the act of becoming, an endless unfolding that we are privileged to witness and to shape. The stars may fade, the galaxies may drift apart, but the spirit of exploration, of curiosity, of love will endure. It is written into the fabric of the cosmos, carried forward in every act of wonder, in every moment of connection. The universe is not complete, and neither are we. Its mystery is our invitation, its vastness our canvas. And as long as we continue to dream, to seek, to create, the story of creation will go on, an eternal dance of light and shadow, of question and answer, of infinite becoming. We are the universe made aware, and our journey is just beginning. The journey, infinite and unfolding, reminds us that we are not separate from the universe. We are the universe, experiencing itself in countless forms, across countless moments. Each discovery we make, each question we ask, is a continuation of the cosmic story, an echo of the forces that shaped stars, galaxies, and life itself. But the universe, for all its grandeur, is also a teacher of humility. It reminds us of our smallness, of our fleeting place in the vast expanse of time and space. Yet, paradoxically, it also reveals our significance. For in our ability to reflect, to wonder, to create, we bring the cosmos into focus. The light of the stars travels billions of years to reach our eyes, but it is through our gaze that they gain meaning. What we choose to do with this gift defines our legacy. The universe has given us the tools to shape not only our future, but the future of the cosmos itself. Our technologies, our ideas, our dreams, they extend beyond Earth, leaving marks on distant worlds, on the photons of light we send across space, on the very fabric of reality. Yet with this power comes responsibility. As stewards of this fragile planet, as creators within this boundless universe, we must act with care. The Earth, a pale blue done in the infinite black, is not just our home. It is a miracle of balance, a rare oasis in a cosmos largely silent and cold. To preserve it is to honor the forces that brought us into being. The same responsibility extends beyond our planet. As we venture into the stars, as we explore new worlds and uncover the secrets of creation, we must do so with humility and respect. The universe is vast, yet it is also interconnected. Every action we take ripples outward, touching not only our immediate surroundings but the cosmic web that binds us all. In this web, we find unity. The same atoms that formed in the hearts of stars now course through our veins. The same forces that shape the galaxies guide the patterns of life on Earth. To recognize this connection is to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as threads in the grand tapestry of existence. And what a tapestry it is, a story that began with a burst of light and continues to expand, to evolve, to create. It is a story written in the language of physics and chemistry, of time and space, but also in the language of wonder and imagination. For as much as the universe shapes us, we shape it in return, through our thoughts, our art, our science, we give the cosmos new ways of being. The journey ahead is limitless. We will seek answers to the deepest questions. What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe? What is the nature of consciousness? Are we alone in this cosmic sea? Each answer will lead to new questions, each discovery to new horizons. The unknown is not a boundary. It is an invitation. And as we journey, let us carry with us the spirit of awe, the courage to ask, and the wisdom to listen. For the universe speaks not only in the distant light of galaxies, but in the stillness of our own hearts. Its mysteries are not meant to be conquered, but to be celebrated, embraced, lived. The stars will endure long after we are gone, but our story will remain, written in the ripples of space-time, in the legacy of our curiosity and care. We are fleeting, yet eternal, tiny sparks in the vastness, yet essential to the grand design. The universe is not finished, and neither are we. It is becoming, as we are becoming, a symphony of infinite notes, each one adding to the whole. Let us continue to play our part, to wonder, to seek, to create. For in doing so, we fulfill the greatest truth of all, that we are not just observers of the cosmos. We are its voice, its reflection, its heart. The story of creation is endless, and it is ours to continue. And so the story continues, without beginning or end, like an eternal flow of light, energy, and time. We stand on the threshold of the infinite, realizing that the very fact of our existence is a gift from the cosmos, its rarest and most extraordinary phenomenon. We are, at once, an accident and a certainty, the result of billions of years of stellar, planetary, and biological evolution. In this moment, we have the unique ability to look back to the dawn of time and forward into the endless future. We are not merely witnesses to this universe. We are its creators. Every thought we have, every discovery we make, every step we take into the unknown is another line written in the grand book of being. But this book does not write itself. The universe grants us the ability to shape its future, but it also reminds us of our responsibility. We must protect this world, our home, because it is one of the rarest islands of life in the vast ocean of stars. Earth is our beacon, our sanctuary, and to preserve it is our greatest act of gratitude to the forces that created us. This responsibility extends beyond our planet. As we reach beyond Earth, as we touch other worlds and encounter the mysteries of the cosmos, we must remember that space is not just a void. It is a home filled with potential and beauty. Our approach to it, our reverence for its secrets, is another way we honor the act of creation itself. Ahead of us lie questions we cannot yet fathom how to answer. What is time? And did it have a beginning? What lies beyond the observable universe? Is there life out there, gazing at the stars and asking the same questions? Each answer we uncover will not close the book, but open new chapters, new doors leading to unimaginable horizons. And yet, in this endless motion, it is vital to remember that the vastness of the universe does not diminish our significance. On the contrary, it amplifies it. We are the only known way the cosmos has to reflect upon itself. We are its eyes, its voice, its thoughts. We are made of stars, but we are capable of creating something greater than the stars. We are capable of creating meaning. That is our power, our uniqueness. Every step we take forward is an echo of those first moments when light emerged from the darkness. Every choice we make is a new page in the infinite story. Let our story be one of exploration and discovery, of care and compassion, of awe and love. Let us continue to seek and create, preserving our sense of wonder for the universe that gave us this chance. For in the end, the cosmos is not just a place where we live. We are the cosmos, and its future depends on us. The future of the cosmos rests in the hands of those who dare to dream, who dare to seek meaning in the infinite expanse. Though the universe is vast beyond comprehension, our capacity to imagine, to create, and to connect imbues it with purpose. We are not merely passive participants in its story. We are co-authors, shaping its trajectory with every action, every thought, every discovery. As we look to the stars, we are reminded that the universe thrives on cycles of renewal and transformation. Stars are born, live out their brilliant lives, and then scatter their essence into the cosmos, seeding new worlds and new possibilities. So too must we carry forward this legacy of creation. The responsibility lies not only in preserving what is, but in envisioning what could be. Our planet, a fragile oasis in the cosmic void, is both a gift and a challenge. It is a sanctuary of life, a cradle for thought, and a mirror that reflects the delicate balance of creation. To care for it is to honor the very forces that brought us into existence. Yet our stewardship does not end at Earth's atmosphere. As we extend our reach to other worlds, we carry with us the same duty to preserve, to respect, and to learn. But beyond the physical journey into space lies an even deeper one, a journey into understanding. The universe does not reveal its secrets easily. Dark matter and dark energy remain elusive. The nature of time and space remains enigmatic, and the possibility of life beyond our own remains tantalizing yet uncertain. Each mystery is an invitation, each unanswered question a spark for discovery. And so we must persist, driven not by the need to conquer the unknown, but by the joy of exploration itself. For the universe is not a puzzle to be solved. It is a masterpiece to be experienced, an infinite canvas that invites us to add our strokes. In our seeking, we find not just answers, but meaning. In our creating, we find not just solutions, but purpose. Yet as we reach outward, we must also turn inward. For the cosmos is not only out there, it is within us. The same atoms that make up distant stars compose our bodies. The same forces that shaped galaxies govern the beating of our hearts. To explore the universe is to explore ourselves, to see in its vastness a reflection of our own potential. This dual journey, outward and inward, is the essence of what it means to be human. We are creatures of stardust and thought, bound to the cosmos, yet free to dream beyond it. Every act of compassion, every moment of wonder, every spark of creativity connects us to the infinite and ensures that our brief existence leaves a lasting mark. The stars may one day fade, the galaxies may drift into darkness, but the legacy of those who dared to wonder will endure. For every question asked, every truth discovered, every life touched is an echo in the great symphony of existence, a testament to the courage of those who chose to seek meaning in the infinite. Let us, then, continue this journey with open hearts and boundless curiosity. Let us protect what is precious, cherish what is fleeting, and build bridges to what is yet to come. For the universe is not static. It is a story, and we are its storytellers. As long as we dream, as long as we seek, as long as we create, the story of the cosmos will never end. It will live on in the light of distant stars, in the whispers of time and space, and in the hearts of those who dare to wonder. And so, the boundless future of the universe awaits us, vast, mysterious, and full of promise. Each step we take into the unknown becomes part of the cosmos' unfolding story, written not in ink but in light, energy, and the enduring echoes of our curiosity. As we push the boundaries of knowledge, we find ourselves humbled by the sheer enormity of the task. We are finite beings with infinite questions, tiny sparks of consciousness in an endless sea of stars. Yet it is precisely this tension, our smallness against the universe's vastness, that gives our journey meaning. For the act of wondering, of seeking, is itself a form of creation, a way of participating in the grand narrative of existence. In this story, each discovery is a new beginning. The first time we glimpsed other worlds orbiting distant suns, we understood that our solar system was not unique, that the possibilities for life and diversity across the galaxy are as endless as the stars themselves. When we decoded the light from faraway galaxies, we saw echoes of a time before time, a universe in its infancy, building the framework for everything we now know. And as we unravel the mysteries of quantum mechanics, we uncover a world so strange and beautiful that it reshapes our understanding of reality itself. Yet, for all the knowledge we gain, the universe remains an endless frontier. Beyond the observable lies the unobservable. Beyond the known lies the unknowable. This is not a limitation, but a gift, a reminder that the universe will always be larger, more complex, and more beautiful than we can comprehend. Its mysteries ensure that our journey will never end, that there will always be more to explore, more to learn, more to dream. And while we look outward, we must also look inward. For within us lies a universe no less wondrous than the one we see in the night sky. The same atoms that form galaxies and stars course through our veins. The same laws of physics that govern the cosmos guide the rhythms of our hearts. To understand ourselves is to understand the universe, and to care for one another is to honor the delicate balance that allows life to exist. This balance is fragile, and it is a responsibility we cannot ignore. Our planet, a small, brilliant jewel in the vastness of space, is a sanctuary for life in all its forms. To protect it is not merely an act of survival. It is a celebration of the cosmic forces that brought it into being. As we reach for the stars, we must remember the roots that anchor us here, to this home, to this moment. The future of humanity and the universe are intertwined. Our choices ripple outward, shaping not only our destiny, but the cosmos as well. Will we rise to the challenges that face us, embracing our role as stewards of creation? Will we venture beyond our world with wisdom and respect, carrying the story of Earth to the stars? Will we meet the unknown not with fear, but with wonder? The answers are not written yet. They are ours to discover, ours to create. The universe has given us the tools to shape its future, the capacity for thought, the ability to dream, and the courage to act. What we do with these gifts will define our legacy, not just as individuals, but as a species, as a part of the cosmos itself. And so, the story of the universe continues. It flows through us, around us, and beyond us, an eternal dance of light and shadow, creation and transformation. We are its participants, its narrators, its co-creators. In every question we ask, every connection we make, every life we touch, we carry its legacy forward. The stars may one day fade, the galaxies may drift into darkness, but the light of our curiosity and love will endure. It will echo across the infinite expanse, a testament to the fleeting yet eternal beings who dared to wonder. Let us continue to wonder, to seek, to create. For in doing so, we fulfill our greatest purpose, to be the universe made aware, and to ensure that its story is never truly complete. The future is infinite, and so are we. The infinite future stretches before us, an open expanse of possibility, woven from the threads of time and the boundless potential of creation. We are both participants and architects, shaping this vast cosmic tapestry with every question we ask, every truth we uncover, every dream we dare to pursue. As we venture further into the mysteries of the universe, we carry with us the understanding that our role is not passive. The universe does not simply unfold around us. It unfolds through us. Every observation we make alters the narrative. Every discovery we share deepens its complexity. In this way, we are more than spectators. We are co-creators of the infinite story. This story has no end. For every horizon we reach, a new one emerges. For every mystery solved, a dozen more take its place. The questions we ask of the universe, of its origins, its boundaries, its purpose, are questions we also ask of ourselves. What does it mean to exist? To create? To connect? These are not merely scientific inquiries, but deeply human ones. And in seeking their answers, we find not only knowledge but meaning. Yet meaning is not given, it is made. The universe, for all its beauty and grandeur, offers no inherent purpose. It provides only the canvas and the tools, leaving it to us to paint the picture. In this lies both our freedom and our responsibility. We must choose what we create, how we live, what we leave behind. The cosmos reminds us of the fragility of life and the urgency of care. Our planet, so small against the vast backdrop of the stars, is a sanctuary of extraordinary beauty and complexity. Its ecosystems, its diverse forms of life, its intricate balance are not just scientific marvels, but treasures to be cherished and protected. To care for Earth is to honor the forces that brought us into being. But the story does not end here. The universe calls us to look beyond, to seek new worlds, to extend the reach of life and consciousness. It invites us to imagine futures we cannot yet conceive, futures where humanity thrives among the stars, building bridges to other civilizations, sharing in the collective wonder of existence. The act of exploration is not just a journey outward, but a journey inward, a search for our place in the grand design. And so, we continue forward, driven by curiosity and awe. We send out our signals into the void, hoping for a response. We peer deeper into the fabric of space-time, unraveling its secrets. We build vessels to carry us to other worlds, carrying with us the hopes and dreams of our species. Each step we take is an affirmation of life, an act of creation in its own right. In this infinite unfolding, the greatest truth we uncover is not about the universe itself, but about our connection to it. We are not separate from the stars. We are made of them. We are not visitors to this cosmos. We are its expression. To explore, it is to explore ourselves, to see in its vastness the reflection of our own potential. The stars may one day fade, and the universe as we know it may change in ways we cannot yet imagine. But the light we create, the light of understanding, of compassion, of creativity, will endure. It will echo across time and space, a testament to the fleeting yet profound beings who dared to wonder. Let us then carry this light forward. Let us protect what is precious, seek what is unknown, and create what is beautiful. The universe is infinite, but so too is our capacity to dream. Its story is far from over, and we are its storytellers, its stewards, its heart. Together, we are the universe becoming aware of itself. Together, we are the architects of its future. And together, we will continue, forever shaping and being shaped by the mystery that surrounds us, the mystery that is us. The story of the universe moves forward, guided by the quiet persistence of creation. In its infinite unfolding, it calls us to become not only explorers, but also guardians. Not only seekers of knowledge, but also bearers of wisdom. The cosmos, vast and indifferent, has granted us the rare gift of awareness. And with that awareness comes a profound responsibility to honor, to protect, and to create. As we gaze into the night sky, we are reminded that we are but a fleeting moment in the grand timeline of existence. And yet, within this moment lies extraordinary potential. We are the culmination of billions of years of cosmic evolution, stardust forged into consciousness, capable of shaping the very forces that brought us into being. The universe, for all its incomprehensible scale, finds its reflection in the smallest actions of its inhabitants. The care we show for our world, the kindness we extend to one another, the curiosity that drives us to explore. All of these are echoes of the same forces that ignite stars and sculpt galaxies. In every choice we make, we contribute to the ongoing symphony of creation. But creation is not without its challenges. The universe reminds us that nothing is permanent, that all things change and evolve. Our world, though beautiful and vibrant, is fragile. The delicate balance that sustains life can be disrupted, and the choices we make today will ripple far into the future. To honor the cosmos is to recognize this fragility and to act with intention, ensuring that the legacy we leave behind is one of stewardship, not destruction. And yet, even as we protect what is, we must also imagine what could be. The universe is not static. It is a canvas for infinite possibility. Just as the stars forge new elements in their fiery cores, we, too, are creators, shaping new realities with our dreams and discoveries. Each innovation, each act of imagination, is a step toward a future that extends beyond the limits of what we know. Perhaps one day, we will traverse the distances between the stars, forging connections with other forms of life, other voices in the cosmic symphony. Perhaps we will unlock the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, uncovering the hidden architecture of the cosmos. Perhaps we will even glimpse the origins of time itself, finding within them the answers to the greatest mysteries. Yet even if we never reach these heights, the journey itself is enough. For the act of seeking, of striving to understand, is the essence of what it means to be alive. It is in this striving that we find our place in the universe, not as passive observers, but as active participants in its story. The stars teach us that light, though finite, can travel across unimaginable distances, carrying its story to those who will one day see it. So, too, do our actions ripple outward, leaving marks that endure beyond our lifetimes. Every moment of curiosity, every act of creation, every expression of love adds to the universe's legacy, ensuring that its story is not just one of matter and energy, but of meaning. And so, we continue. We carry the light of knowledge and wonder into the unknown, guided by the understanding that we are not separate from the cosmos, but an intrinsic part of it. The universe breathes through us, thinks through us, dreams through us. To honor its mystery is to honor ourselves, for we are its reflection, its voice, its heart. The future is infinite, and so are we. Together, we write the next chapter of this grand story, knowing that it will never truly end. For as long as there are stars to light the night, as long as there are minds to ask the questions, as long as there are hearts to feel the wonder, the story of the universe will go on. This is our legacy, to be the universe, awake and alive, shaping and being shaped, forever part of its endless, beautiful becoming. And so, the cosmos calls us onward, a ceaseless rhythm of creation and transformation, inviting us to dream beyond the boundaries of what we know. The universe does not offer conclusions, only beginnings, new horizons to reach, new questions to ask, and new stories to tell. We are its storytellers, its seekers, its voice, carrying forward the legacy of stardust and time. With every step into the unknown, we affirm our place in this infinite narrative. We are not merely witnesses to the cosmos. We are threads woven into its fabric, part of a design so vast and intricate that its edges stretch beyond imagination. In this unity lies our greatest truth. The universe is not something apart from us. We are the universe, alive and aware, reaching out to understand itself. Each discovery we make brings us closer to this realization. When we study the light of ancient galaxies, we are looking back in time, witnessing the birth of stars that no longer exist. When we explore the quantum world, we uncover the strange and beautiful principles that govern all matter. These revelations are not just scientific triumphs. They are acts of connection, moments when the cosmos reveals itself to its own consciousness. Yet even as we seek answers to the greatest mysteries, what lies beyond the observable universe? What is the ultimate nature of reality? Are we alone? We are reminded that the journey itself is the destination. The act of seeking, the courage to ask, the wonder we feel in the face of the unknown. These are the threads that bind us to the cosmos and to one another. In this journey, we must also remember the gift we have been given, our home, this fragile blue world suspended in the vastness of space. Earth is more than a planet. It is a sanctuary of life, a masterpiece billions of years in the making. To protect it is to honor the forces that created it, to safeguard the delicate balance that allows us to exist. Our stewardship of this world is not just a duty. It is a sacred act, a testament to our connection with the cosmos. But the story of life does not end here. The same curiosity that drives us to care for Earth compels us to look beyond it, to explore the stars and imagine what might be. Perhaps, one day, humanity will become a multi-planetary species, carrying with us the lessons of our home world and the dreams of countless generations. Perhaps we will find other forms of life, other voices in the cosmic choir, sharing in the universal act of wonder. The possibilities are infinite, as is the universe itself. Yet, as vast as the cosmos is, its most profound mysteries are often found in the smallest places, in the connections we forge, the ideas we nurture, the love we share. These moments of humanity are not separate from the grand cosmic story. They are its essence. For in our acts of kindness, creativity, and understanding, we mirror the same forces that drive the stars. The stars will one day fade, and the galaxies may drift into silence, but the echoes of our existence will remain. The light we create, through our discoveries, our dreams, our shared humanity, will ripple across the fabric of space-time, leaving an indelible mark on the universe that gave us life. And so, we continue. We journey not with fear, but with wonder, not with certainty, but with hope. For in the act of seeking, we find meaning. In the act of creating, we find purpose. And in the act of connecting, we find ourselves. This is the eternal story of the universe, a story of endless becoming, of infinite possibility, of light reaching across the darkness. It is a story we are privileged to tell, a story we are honored to live. The future is boundless, and so are we. Together, we are the universe in motion, its voice and its heart, shaping and being shaped, forever part of its endless, beautiful mystery. And so, the story stretches onward, limitless in its reach, weaving the threads of time, space, and consciousness into an eternal tapestry. Each chapter brings new revelations, new questions, and new connections. The universe continues to expand, not only in its physical dimensions, but in the depth of our understanding and the breadth of our imagination. We stand on the cusp of unimaginable futures. The light we see from distant stars has traveled billions of years to reach us, a reminder of both the vastness of the cosmos and the power of persistence. This same light, a bridge between the past and present, inspires us to create our own paths, to send our own signals into the void, to leave behind our own echoes for generations yet unborn. The universe, for all its grandeur, is a mirror. In its infinite complexity, we find reflections of ourselves, our courage, our curiosity, our capacity for awe. We see the same forces that fuel stars in our own relentless drive to seek meaning. The same cycles of creation and destruction that shape galaxies echo in the patterns of our lives, reminding us that endings are never final, but transitions to something new. As we reach for the stars, we are also reaching for each other. The connections we forge between people, ideas, and worlds are the foundation of everything we hope to achieve. They remind us that we are not solitary wanderers, but part of a shared journey, bound together by the same stardust, the same forces, the same dreams. In this unity lies our strength and our purpose. To explore the universe is to explore ourselves, to discover not only what lies beyond the edge of the known, but what lies within the depths of our own hearts. For as vast as the cosmos is, its greatest mysteries often reside in the smallest places, in the bonds of love, the spark of creativity, the simple act of wonder. Yet, for all our striving, the universe remains enigmatic, offering answers that lead to deeper questions. What is the nature of time? Is there an end to space? Are we a singular occurrence? Or is life a common thread woven through the fabric of existence? These questions may never be fully answered, but that is their gift. They inspire us to keep seeking, to keep dreaming, to keep reaching. In this pursuit, we must also remember the fragility of what we have. Earth, our home, is a rare and precious sanctuary in the vast expanse of space. To care for it is not just a necessity, but an act of reverence for the forces that created it. As we look outward, we must also look inward, recognizing that the health of our planet and the well-being of its inhabitants are inseparable from our cosmic aspirations. The future of the universe and the future of humanity are intertwined. Our actions ripple outward, shaping not only our destiny, but the fate of countless others who may one day walk among the stars. With every step we take, whether on this world or another, we carry with us the essence of what it means to be alive, the ability to imagine, to create, to love. The stars will continue to burn, the galaxies will continue to spin, and the universe will continue to evolve. But through us, the cosmos has gained something unique, the capacity to reflect on itself, to marvel at its own beauty, to ask why. And what's next? This is the legacy we inherit and the legacy we leave behind. To be part of the universe's story is a privilege beyond measure, a responsibility we must carry with humility and wonder. For as long as we seek to understand, to protect, and to create, the light of our existence will shine, a beacon in the infinite dark. The story of the universe is not finished, and it never will be. It is a symphony without conclusion, a canvas without edges, a book with endless pages. And as we continue to write our chapter, we ensure that its song will echo through eternity, a song of life, of light, of endless becoming. We are the universe, awake and aware, dreaming of its future, shaping its destiny. And the journey, infinite and beautiful, is just beginning. The journey continues, vast and timeless, as the universe unfolds in its infinite potential. With every moment, every thought, and every action, we weave ourselves deeper into the fabric of existence. The cosmos, in all its grandeur, has no end, no final destination, only the eternal act of becoming. And we, as conscious beings, are both witnesses and participants in this boundless creation. As we look outward, the light of distant stars reminds us of the vastness of time. It carries the history of the cosmos, a story written in the language of light and gravity, of birth and decay, of creation and transformation. Each photon that reaches us is a message from the past, crossing unimaginable distances to meet our gaze. And in that meeting, the universe reveals itself, whispering its secrets to those who dare to listen. Yet, even as we unravel these mysteries, we are reminded of the profound unity between the cosmos and ourselves. The same elements forged in the hearts of dying stars flow through our veins. The same forces that sculpt galaxies shape the patterns of life on Earth. To explore the universe is to explore our origins, our nature, and our connection to all that exists. In this unity, we find both wonder and responsibility. The Earth, our fragile oasis, is a testament to the delicate balance of creation. It is a world teeming with life, shaped by billions of years of cosmic history. To protect it is not merely an act of survival. It is an acknowledgement of our place in the grand symphony of existence. As we venture beyond our home, we must carry this awareness with us, ensuring that our exploration honors the beauty and fragility of life. The future we imagine is limitless. We dream of walking on distant worlds, of building cities among the stars, of reaching out across the vastness of space to find others who, like us, have wondered about their place in the cosmos. These dreams are not fantasies. They are the natural extension of the same curiosity that once led us to cross oceans and continents, to gaze at the stars and ask, what lies beyond? But even as we strive to extend our reach, we must remember that the journey is as important as the destination. The act of seeking, the pursuit of understanding, is itself an expression of the universe's creativity. Every question we ask, every answer we uncover, adds to the tapestry of existence, ensuring that the story of the cosmos continues to grow in richness and complexity. This is our legacy, to be the universe made aware, to carry forward the light of curiosity and wonder, to create meaning in a world that offers none by itself. The cosmos does not demand this of us. It simply provides the canvas. It is we who choose to paint, to fill the void with life, with thought, with purpose. And though we are small, our impact is vast. The choices we make ripple outward, shaping not only our own futures, but the futures of countless generations yet to come. Every moment of compassion, every act of creation, every step into the unknown ensures that the light of our existence endures, even in the face of cosmic impermanence. One day, the stars themselves will fade, and the universe as we know it will transform. But the echoes of our journey will remain, carried in the fabric of space-time, in the enduring memory of a cosmos that dared to know itself. Our brief moment may be fleeting, but it is not insignificant. For in that moment, we bring the universe to life. Let us, then, continue this journey with wonder in our hearts and courage in our steps. Let us honor the mystery of creation by living fully within it, by seeking not only knowledge but wisdom, not only discovery but connection. For as long as we wonder, as long as we create, as long as we love, the story of the universe will never truly end. We are the cosmos, alive and awake, dreaming of its future, shaping its destiny. And though the journey is endless, it is here, in this moment, that we find its greatest truth, that to seek, to dream, to connect is to be part of the infinite, eternal act of becoming. And so, the universe continues its endless act of becoming, an intricate dance of light and shadow, creation and decay, wonder and discovery. We find ourselves woven into this cosmic fabric, both shaped by its forces and shaping its future. The stars above remind us of our origins, but they also ignite our aspirations, urging us forward into the vast unknown. Each step we take, whether through the corridors of science or the landscapes of imagination, is a testament to the unique role we play in this grand story. The cosmos is not static. It evolves, expands, and transforms. And within its ever-changing nature, we find our purpose, not to conquer it, but to understand it, to honor it, to become one with its infinite possibilities. The mysteries that surround us are profound, yet they are also an invitation. What lies beyond the observable universe? What is the true nature of time and space? Are we alone, or are there others who gaze at their own skies, wondering about the same questions? These are not merely puzzles to solve, but connections to something greater than ourselves, threads that bind us to the cosmos and to each other. And as we seek answers, we must also protect the rare and fragile sanctuary that is our home. Earth, with its vibrant life and delicate balance, is a gift of unimaginable rarity in a universe largely composed of silence and void. To care for this planet is to honor the forces that created it, to ensure that the story of life continues to flourish, both here and one day beyond. But even as we protect, we must also imagine. The future of humanity is not confined to this single world. The stars beckon us, not as a destination, but as a horizon, a challenge to dream bigger, to reach farther, to carry the essence of life into the vastness of space. In doing so, we become not just inhabitants of the cosmos, but its stewards, its explorers, its creators. Perhaps one day, we will walk on alien shores beneath unfamiliar suns. Perhaps we will find kindred spirits among the stars, other beings who have also dared to ask the great questions of existence. Or perhaps the greatest discoveries will not be in what we find, but in how the journey changes us, deepening our understanding, expanding our empathy, and connecting us more deeply to the universe and to one another. For the universe is not just out there. It is within us, a reflection of our thoughts, our dreams, our capacity for love and wonder. Every atom in our bodies, every photon that touches our skin, every breath we take is a reminder that we are not separate from the cosmos. We are the cosmos, alive and aware, seeking to understand itself. This realization is both humbling and empowering. It reminds us that we are small, yet significant, fleeting, yet eternal. The choices we make, the lives we lead, the dreams we pursue ripple outward, leaving marks that endure beyond the span of our years. In every act of kindness, in every moment of creativity, we add to the universe's story, ensuring that it is not just a story of matter and energy, but one of meaning. The stars may one day fade, the galaxies may drift into darkness, and the universe itself may evolve into forms we cannot imagine. But the light we create, the light of curiosity, compassion, and connection, will endure. It will echo through the cosmos, a testament to those who dared to dream and to seek, to love and to create. Let us, then, continue this journey, carrying with us the wonder of the stars and the courage to explore. Let us honor the mystery of the universe by living fully within it, by cherishing its beauty and embracing its challenges. For as long as we seek, as long as we dream, as long as we connect, the story of the universe will never truly end. We are the universe made conscious, the stars come alive, the infinite contemplating the infinite. Together, we write the next chapter of its story, knowing that its final page will never be written. And in this endless becoming, we find not only our place, but our purpose, to be part of the eternal dance of creation, forever reaching, forever becoming. The universe is vast, mysterious, and filled with endless possibilities. As we journey through its wonders, exploring its depths and unraveling its secrets, we are reminded of our unique role as storytellers of the cosmos. Each discovery, each question, and each act of creation connects us to the infinite. Together, we are the universe made conscious, shaping its future while being shaped by its timeless beauty. Let us continue to wonder, to seek, and to dream. The story of the universe is far from over, and its greatest chapters are still to be written, with you as part of it. Subscribe to the channel to join us in this journey of discovery, exploration, and inspiration. Together, let's continue to explore the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. The universe is calling. Let's answer it together.